Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can sign up for Coinbase Wallet account. In order to create a wallet account on Coinbase, all you have to do is follow the instructions guided. Now to begin with, open up a browser. On the web address bar. You'll need to type link, that is www.coinbase.com/wallet. This is going to take you to the official page or the web page of Coinbase Wallet. Now then, to begin with, click on sign up button located in the top right hand side corner. This is going to direct you to the sign up page. So here, all you have to do is provide in your first name and then the last name, email address, and create a password. So quickly enter in all of these information and make sure to mark on the terms and condition and click on create account, which is located right at the bottom. So click the create free account located right at the bottom. On the other interface, what you'll have to do is you'll have to verify your email. So for verification, you have to open up your Gmail account and then click the verify link. And as soon as you do that, your account will be verified successfully. After that, it's going to ask you to confirm your phone number as well for the two-factor authentication. Enter in your phone number, confirm it with the help of a verification code, and after you've done that, you have successfully created a Coinbase wallet account. So in this way you can create Coinbase wallet account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.